Regional Medical Epidemiologist, Western Regional Health Authority, Dr. Mang Ong, is calling on Jamaicans to have a personal responsibility to manage health risks that can lead to cancer. Melvin Pennant has that story.
He pointed out that cancers are among the top 5 leading cause of death among men and women in Jamaica.
Cancer is one of the top 5 leading causes of death in Jamaica, and we have developed the strategic and action plan for prevention and control of cancer. That's a program plan that we have established. The overall goal of the plan is to reduce the burden and cost of preventable morbidity and disability and avoidable premature mortality due to cancer by 25% by 2025.
Dr. Hong was addressing a Jamaica Information Service GIS think tank session at the agency's regional office in Montego Bay, St. James recently. He further pointed out to other high-risk lifestyle choices such as smoking.
Personal responsibility is very important. We know that in my presentation I said we have modifiable risk factors which facilitating the causes of cancers such as obesity. We know that in this country, in the population, we have 1 in every 2 persons are obese or overweight. So that's one of the leading causes of, one of the contributing factors, risk factor. And we can reduce that. And also smoking. I mean, smoking is not that relevant in these days and age. And also exercise. So we tend to sit in the offices and we tend to drive our cars. I mean, I want to park almost near to the GIS building so that I don't have to walk. I not necessarily don't want to walk because of the rain. I don't want to run. So, why don't you park outside in Overton Plaza and walk one day and go over there and run? That's sort of physical exercise that you need.
Dr. Hong has partnered with the Westmoreland-based Misty Blue Cancer Care Foundation to inform, educate and support cancer patients in the parish. The foundation will spearhead several teleconferences to highlight statistics and trends related to cancer. Melvin Pennant, PBCJ News.